My name, last time I looked at my driver's license, was Preston B. Nichols. My training is as an electrical engineer with a double E. I have a master's degree in physics. All the equipment that's on this property can be thought of on the quantum level, sort of like a consciousness, which all hooks into the abilities I've developed here. Oh, this is the sound room, or the magic room. Shut the door, keep it cool. First, I guess best thing is for me to tell you what this is all about. The mind basically functions on frequencies. And I realized early on that all this music we're making and we like is basically thoughts. I've constructed a system here that the listener, experiencer, whatever you want to call the person, laying on that couch bed there, literally interacts personally with the music. We have right now here, like the engine for a time device. So what I do is I sit here, I play the music. First, let's see how I got it set up. That's correct. That's correct. Now this particular music takes me, because it's the same music, the actual same recording, used at the Montauk project for like the matrix or the background of the transmissions. But these lights actually flash and modulate along with the music. And you basically allow yourself to float with wherever the music you're playing will take you. And you can literally travel places mentally, you can do things. I've had some very odd activity happening here. You know, people appearing out of nowhere. Music is mind control, TV is mind control. And time travel is possible. Even Stephen Hawking says time travel is possible at this point.